Sabi ika nga nila, ang graduation ceremony ng mga estudyante ay once in a lifetime lamang ito.
Angan? Sino ka? What's the name?
Ngunit paano na lang sa mismong araw na pinaka-importante para sa mga estudyante ay nasira ito dahil ika nga sa kanilang principal na pinauhubad ang kanilang mga toga. Well, panoorin mo ang video na ito at ikaw na ang humusga.
Good morning. I want everything to be in order and its proper place. This activity, the graduation, should be in uniform and with your sublime. That's all. So please, if you are doing something against the rules of the law, paki, because this will continue as in the authority prescribed. Okay? I have already taken your pictures and I have already documented everything. Let us not make the rule of the law run over this activity because this is the activity of the Department of Education. Thank you for your obedience. So, just take off your toga because it is not prescribed as your uniform for graduation. Okay? School uniform with your ribbons and your sablay. That's all. Okay? No, I am calling police for you. This is it. We are training our learners to be disciplined and obedient to authority. What kind of attitude are we giving them? What kind of practice and what kind of examples are we giving them? Disobedience to lawful authorities? Shall we start? I don't want to see anybody with your hats and your togas because it is not indeed order. And I want the class advisors to write the names of those who violated the authority.
Makikita rin sa video na tila may umakyat na isang guro sa harap ng entablado upang ipaglaban ang mga estudyante laban sa kanilang school principal.
The parents daw ang patugtan? No!
Into proper perspective, return. This is the graduation ceremony. Responsibility guard, please come over. Okay?
Nangyari ito nang ipag-utos ng kanilang principal na walang magsusuot ng toga during graduation ceremony. Ngunit, mas pinili pa rin ng mga estudyante at mga magulang na magsuot pa rin ng mga kanilang mga toga dahil ito ay nagsisimbolo ng kanilang pagtatapos at kanilang mga pinagpaguran. Kaya naman siya muna ang video na ito. Ikaw bilang isang Pilipino, kung ikaw ang tatanungin ano ang dapat gawin sa principal na ito na tila ginamit niya ang kanyang posisyon para kontrolin ang graduation ceremony ng mga estudyante. Well, i-comment mo na ang iyong reaksyon sa video sa baba.